Dayan, I love you.
I love you too, Jeric.
Alam mo, we've been together for almost 5 years. I love you and you love me. Tsaka alam din naman natin sa isa't isa na tayo talagang dalawa. Kaya naman, ito talaga yung tamang panahon, yung tamang timing.
What do you mean?
When I open my eyes, all I wanna see is you. Alam mo, pag wala ka, I'm incomplete. Every hour, every second, every minute, I wanna spend my life with you. Dayan, will you marry me?
Yes! Yes, I will marry you, Jeric.
I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.
I love you.